I'd like to welcome everyone. We're going to go over the Kyocera catalog and how to access that from our website and how to download that, and then we'll touch on the products in there as well. So first you're going to go to officeshopinc.com/WYcontract. You're going to scroll down to the Kyocera 2020 product catalog. So where we start with this Kyocera product catalog is we actually start with the A4 devices, starting with black and white. So I'm just going to show one device and then I'll scroll to the color device. This is how you can tell if they are color or black and white. This is a Kyocera monochrome product. Here are some of the specifications for that product. And then the catalog pages are all formatted the same. You have the 60-month lease price for the state of Wyoming here. This is going to be the machine, and then the accessories down here. And then your cost per copy is going to be located in the blue square at the bottom left of every page. And so this is a monochrome or black and white device, so it only has one cost per copy. It doesn't have that color cost per copy. So I'm going to scroll down to the color options now, so you can see those, and we do have a lot of offerings for monochrome options for A4 from Kyocera. So here's a color option. You can see right here where it says color, a Kyocera color product. This is a full color machine, so it will print and scan in color. Here are the specifications for this device. And then if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see the 60-month lease price here, machine, accessories, and then down here in the bottom left-hand corner, the cost per copy, black and white cost per copy, and then color cost per copy. And then you go through all of the A4 devices. And then we get into the A3 devices. So the difference between A4 and A3, A4 can do up to legal size, which is 8.5 by 14. And A3 can do up to 11 by 17. Some of the Kyocera product will be able to do 12 by 18. You just need to watch this area right here for those devices. This particular device, the 3212i, can only do up to 11 by 17, but some of the other models, these Task Alpha models, will be able to do up to 12 by 18. So this is a monochrome product, highlighted right here. Here's the monthly lease price, the accessory lease price, and we'll go over some of these accessories here and answer any questions that you have about which accessories you should be selecting in our live product demonstration with Devin. Here's the cost per copy for this device, again in the bottom left-hand corner. So in the A3 devices, we're going to black and white, and then we're going to be moving into the color equipment. We also have a page in our Kyocera catalog explaining what the tiered color printing is, and we can answer any questions on those as well. But it's showing here that 50% discount for anything that is less than 4% coverage. Anything over 4% coverage will be the full price, and those examples I showed in the PowerPoint presentation are good examples of what 4% coverage actually is. So here's a full color device, again highlighted here. Specifications, you can see that 12 by 18, and then also doing banner printing up to 12 by 48 single sheet. Here's the monthly lease price here and the accessory prices. And then we also have our cost per copy here, highlighting the two-tier color pricing, showing the less than 4% coverage and for greater than 4% coverage. So we'll go through these devices from our lower volume A3 devices to mid volume, and then we'll go up to our higher volume A3 devices as well, ending with color 8353 CI. Something new that we're offering on the Kyocera copier contract is actually single function printers. So this monochrome SFP stands for single function printer. This is a black and white printer, and these are really solid printers. They would be great replacements for any HP, Dell, Lexmark, or any printer that you're currently using in your office. This would be a really great replacement, and here's why. low monthly price for the accessories, as well as a low monthly price for the cost per copy on this unit. It would be, in most cases, probably a 30% reduction at minimum from what you're currently paying. Here is your full color product. Here, again, single function printer. Lease price and accessories. I'm going to scroll down to the last page of the catalog. So this shows our service territories. So here's the Office Shop Incorporated service centers: Casper, Cheyenne, Cowley, Green River, Rapid City, Riverton, and Sheridan. So these service center addresses have changed in Casper and in Sheridan. They will be posted at a later date. Also, the contact information here for Randy Peterson is no longer available. You'll just be contacting me at the WY contract or at this resetofficeshopping.com. We also have our service partner that we used last time for Teton, Lincoln, and Sublette County. And so this is Yoast Business Systems, and they've been a good partner for us. And so they're authorized in those 3 counties, and we are authorized in all counties statewide to service and sell Kyocera product. So I'm going to move into the order form and just how to use that. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this link here, and it's going to download here. It's going to open up Microsoft Excel. You'll have to click Enable Editing. And I like to zoom out to 80% or 70% so that we can see that whole sheet here. And you'll notice the difference from our previous shows that this order form has changed to add the bill to location and the ship to location. And so these are both very important, so then we can make sure that the invoice gets to the right place and that the machine gets delivered to the correct place. So if you fill out this form, you'll want to fill out all this information here. You want to fill out all the information here. This anticipated monthly volume is an estimate, so this gives you a good idea of what you can form your budget to or plan your budget. This is not a reflection of what your invoice will actually be, because that's just based on how many prints and copies that you make. So what you're going to do first is you're going to select the model that you want to use, and I'm going to go down to the 4000 3i. So this is a monochrome device. Populates automatically the price of that device from the catalog, and then I can go in here and select multiple accessories so that that list populates for me with the cost and the total cost for everything. Then you get that sent in to the authorized leasing entity signature, and then also we need the agency signature, and you'd send that to your A&I office, Mandy Gershmel, and then they will get it to me, and then we will process the order for the machine.